Good morning, everyone. Now, I'm hearing some people are having difficulty downloading Fedora and actually finding it. So let me show you the first step here. What you want to do is you want to create a place where you're going to download it to and where you can find it easily. So I have it on my desktop right here. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to right-click on the desktop, go to New, and select a new folder. And I'm going to call it Linux or Fedora. So that's the first thing you need to do when downloading Linux Fedora. Now, there are different types of browsers. There's Internet Explorer. Okay, so some people like to use Internet Explorer or some other browser like Firefox. I recommend, because so we can all do the same thing, we use Google Chrome. If you don't have Google Chrome on your computer, please install that first. So I have Google Chrome open, and I am going to type, let me go to the Google search. And let me show you what I'm typing here. Fedora download, actually Fedora version 13. So Fedora 13 download. And I want to make sure it's the 64-bit version. So type that into your Google search and press enter. When that's down, or when you press enter, okay, it should be that first link, but read the first link before actually clicking it. It will say 13, and if you see the number 64 there, it's the right one. So let's go ahead and click on that. And you will see a number of files here that you can download. Notice they start with ISO. Now you can download it in parts, part 1, part 2, part 3, but we want to get the whole file in one shot. So it's the big one, the one that says 3.4 gigabytes. So that's the one that we're going to download. So I just clicked on it. Just click on it once and wait. My internet connection is a little bit slow. There we go. Now, I'm not going to click save right away. Sometimes when you save a file, it goes to downloads. Sometimes it goes to picture or desktop. It will actually save it to the last place you saved it. What I want to do is I want to click on desktop, and I want to find that folder that I just created. Do you remember the operating system folder? That's where we're going to save it to. So let me go to my